What's up, Team DMS? It's your girl, the Master Stylist, and I am here with another video. Now, today's video is going to be talking about, I gotta cover my address because y'all some stalkers. No, just like YouTube Creator Awards. Now, I did do a opening of the box because I see everybody on their videos like struggling, and I ain't about to be on camera doing all that. Bruh. So, I'm gonna start off first by showing you guys the awards. Now, it just says, presented to the Master Stylist for passing 100,000 subscribers. And then it has a YouTube logo at the bottom. Y'all see that? Okay. And then everybody said they had a letter in there, well, a card from somebody named Rick. But Rick, you ain't give me no packaging letter. So I did get this letter. And it's from Susan Watch Kiki or something like that. Sorry, girl, I cut your name up. But it just pretty much says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You have an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose the sight of reality behind a 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved it. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you in all the hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see you do the next one. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way from now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely. And then it's a signed letter. So I just want to take the time out and thank each and every one of you guys who subscribed. Even the ones who don't subscribe, but they still watch. Thank you too. Keep me up in the algorithm, you know what I'm saying? But I want to thank each and every one of you from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You know, you guys, some of you guys follow me everywhere, and I really, really, really appreciate it. I love you so very much, and this is genuine from the bottom of my heart. Like, you guys don't know, this isn't like a Grammy, but it's like a Grammy for me because, you know, a lot of people get on YouTube and they're struggling, and they're on YouTube forever and don't get this far, you know. So I really want to just thank everybody from the bottom of my heart. And I'll see you again for the next video.